out here in nature, away from everything, away from chaos, disruptions, distractions. I like peaceful days. I like being at peace, positivity, being able to think healthy. Got up this morning, eating nutrition, protein, taking my daily walk, keeping fit, keeping healthy body, gains healthy thoughts. So grateful for this new day. Grateful for the universe. Grateful for nature. So thankful. Thankful for the sun. For the sun feeds my body. Grateful for this positive energy. So make sure you get out there and breathe in that good air. And thank you for tuning in.